Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on LDPlayer. First, you'll need to download the LDPlayer emulator from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth performance. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. This initial step is crucial for setting up your gaming environment correctly and getting ready to enjoy Brawl Stars on a larger screen. Once LDPlayer is installed, launch the emulator. You will find the Google Play Store pre-installed, just like on an Android device. Open the Play Store, then use the search bar to find Brawl Stars. Click on the game and proceed with the installation. This process is identical to installing any app on your phone, ensuring you get the official game version. With Brawl Stars installed, open the game. LDPlayer offers a powerful key mapping tool, which is essential for a great experience. Access this tool to customize your controls. You can assign specific keyboard keys for movement, attacks, and supers, and use your mouse for aiming. This customization allows for precise control, giving you a significant advantage over touchscreen players. To enhance your gaming, adjust LDPlayer's settings. You can allocate more CPU cores and RAM to the emulator for improved performance. Enabling high frame rates, such as 60 frames per second, will provide a much smoother visual experience. Remember to keep both LDPlayer and Brawl Stars updated to their latest versions for optimal stability and new features. Enjoy your enhanced Brawl Stars experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.